Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Syahrul Nizam bin Jasman from DKA 3C, matrix number 11 DKA 19F1102. Okay, now we are going to calculate UD1 and UD2, where UD1 has groundwater level. Okay, UD1 gamma 1 with the symbol Y, 1.37x times 9.81, we will get 14 kilonewton per meter cube. For the tangent x and cohesion is 55 kilonewton per meter square. Gamma saturated is 1.635 times 9.81. The total is 16 kilonewton per meter square per meter cube. For UD2, gamma 2 is 1.315 times 9.81, and total is 13 kilonewton per meter cube. Tangent is 5, angle is 5, and cohesion is 0. Now we calculate Ka1, 1 minus sin 8 per 1 plus sin 8. The total is 0.755. Ka2 same with Ka1, and because the angle is same, and Ka3 the angle is different, so we will use 1 minus sin bracket 5 per 1 plus sin bracket 5. We will get the total is 0.840. Okay, from UD1 and UD2, we will separate it more specification, where PA1, PA2, PA3, PA4, PA5, PA6, PW and PAX. ZC is 2C over per gamma power of 1 per Ka, which 2 bracket cohesion, which is 55 per gamma 8. Gamma 1 is 8, power of 1 per Ka, Ka1 is 0.755, and the total is 15.824. Okay, now we will calculate PAA, PAB, PAC and PAD. For PAA, we will use formula Ka1, which is 0.755 times gamma 1 8, Z1 0, which is Z1 which is 0, and minus 2C, C cohesion means 2 bracket 55, and power of Ka, which means is power of 0.755, and the total is negative 95.581. For the PAB, same formula as PAA, we will get negative 46.661, and for PAC, we will use Ka2, where 0.755, gamma 1, which is 8, and Z1 8.1. The total is 48.924. And for PAD, we will use Ka2 times gamma 1 times Z1 plus Ka2 times gamma 2 times Z2. So 0.755 times 8 times 8.1 plus 0.755 times 13 times 15.3 The total is 233.748. The diagram below is based from calculation PAA, PAB, PAC and PAD. PAA and PAB we get negative, so we draw it to the left side, where PAC and PAD we get positive, so we will draw to the right side. Okay, now we are going to calculate total PA. To get total of PA from UD1 and UD2, we have separate to each section, which is PA1, PA2, PA3, PA4, PA5, PA6, PAW, and PAA. For PA1, we will use formula 1 per 2 times KA1 times gamma 1 times Z1, which is 1 per 2 times 0.755 times 8 times bracket 8.1 minus 4.1. The total is 12.08. For PA2, KA1 gamma 1 times Z1, the total is 24.764. For PA3, 1 per 2 times KA2 times gamma 2 prime. We will use gamma 2 prime because PA3 is under groundwater level, times Z2. 1 per 2 times 0.755 times 13 minus 9.81 times 4.1 power of 2. We will get the answer 20.243. For PA4, KA3 times gamma 1 times Z2, where 0.x40 times 0.x40 times 8 times 15.3, the total is 102.816. For PA5, KA3 times gamma 2 prime times Z2, where 0.840 times 13 minus 9.81 times 15.3, the total is 40.998. Next, PA6, 1 per 2 times KA3 times gamma 2 prime times Z2, which is where 1 per 2 times 0.x40 times 13 minus 9.81 times 15.3 power of 2, the total is 313.634. For PAW, 1 per 2 times KA3 times ZW, where 1 per 2 times 0.840 times bracket 15.3 minus 4.1, the total is 4.704. And last, PAX, 2C power of KA1 times Z, where 2 times 55 cohesion times power of 0.755 times 8.1. The total is 774.196. Okay, based on the calculation, we will get total of PA, where 1,293.485. the table below is to find PA gamma, and the PA gamma is 3.490. To get PA gamma, the answer from PA and Y, PA times Y, so we will get the total of PAY, and total PAY per total PA, we will get the answer, where 3.490. Okay, to calculate W1 and W2, for W1, 3.3 times 8.1 times 25.3, we will get 676.3. For W2, 15 times 15.3 times 25.3, and the answer is 5806.4. For QV, the total of W1 plus W2, we will get 6480 and 0.7. Now we are going to calculate X bar. To get X bar, we will use formula QV times X bar equal PA gamma plus W1 X1 plus W2 X2, and 6482.7 gamma X bar equal to 2702.068 plus 676.3 bracket 3.3 per 2 plus 3.5 plus 5806.4 bracket 15 per 2, and we will get the total of X bar is 7.672. Okay, now we are going to check position of the PV, where B per 2 less than X less than 2B per 3. B is 15. We get 15 because the base is 15. Base the UD2. 15 per 2, we will get 7.5. And for 2B per 3, we will get 2 bracket 15 per 3, the total is 10. So our X bar is 7.672, is between 7.5 and 10. So it is okay. And now we are check for bearing capacity failure. We will use formula E equal to B per 2 minus X bar. So 7.5 minus 7.672, we'll get the answer negative 0.172. PV max equal to QV per B bracket 1 plus 6E per B, where 6482.7 per 15 bracket 1 plus 6 times 0.391 per 15, the answer is 499.77. For PV minimum, QV per B bracket 1 minus 6E per B. And 6482.7 per 15 bracket 1 negative 6 times 0.391 per 15. The total is 334.59. And for Fs, QU per PV max were 500 per 499.77. The total is 1.00, is more than 1, so it is okay. Okay, now we are check for sliding. The formula is SFS equal to QV times U per QH, where 6482.7 times 0.65 per 774.196. The total is 5.443. is bigger than 2. That means it's not safe. And now we are going to check overturning. The formula is SFO equal QV times X prime per QH times Y, when X prime is equal to B minus X bar. 6482.7 bracket 15 minus 7.672 per 774.196 times 1.5x7. The total is 38.665, is bigger than 2, which means it is safe.